Hi friends, welcome to my channel Chrish EduTech, a world of education. స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో భాగంగా ఈరోజు నేను మీ ముందుకి ఒక కొత్త వీడియోతోటి రావడం జరిగింది. స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ త్రూ తెలుగు. స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కోర్స్ వీడియో నెంబర్ 3. వీడియో నెంబర్ 1 గ్రీటింగ్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకున్నాం. అలాగే వీడియో నెంబర్ 2లో ఇంపరేటివ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ టైప్స్ విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సెంటెన్సెస్ చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సో మీరు కనుక చూడకపోతే ఆ 2 వీడియోస్ కూడా ఒకసారి చూడండి. డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో లింక్స్ ఇస్తాను. లెట్ us గో. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో కాంట్రాక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఆక్సిలరీ వెర్బ్స్ చూద్దాం. కాంట్రాక్షన్స్ ఎలాగా చెప్పాలి అనేది చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ కాంట్రాక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ యామ్, ఈజ్, ఆర్. ఐ యామ్, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is. సో వీటికి కాంట్రాక్షన్స్ రాసినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంది, వాటిని ఎలా చదవాలనేది క్లియర్గా చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఐ యామ్. ఐ అపోస్ట్రఫీ ఎం, ఐమ్ అని చదవాలి. ఐమ్. we are, we are. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్, your, you apostrophe re, your. They are, there, there, thy apostrophe re, there. He is, his, his. She is, she is, she is. It is, its, its. I'm, where, your, there, his, she's, its. Let us see next one. Contractions of am, is, are plus not. Negatives. Let us see. I am not. We are not. You are not. They are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. I am not. Contraction. I'm not. I'm not. We are not. Contraction. We aren't. We aren't. You are not. You aren't. They are not. They aren't. He is not. He isn't. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. It isn't. Next one. Contractions of was, were plus not. I was not. We were not. You were not. They were not. He was not. She was not. It was not. Let us see contractions. I was not. I wasn't. I wasn't. We were not. We weren't. We weren't. You were not. You weren't. They were not. They weren't. He was not. He wasn't. She was not. She wasn't. It was not. It wasn't. Let us see next one. Contractions of have. Contractions of have. I have. We have. You have. They have. He has. She has. It has. I have. I've. We have. We've. We have. We've. You have. You. You. They have. They've. They've. He has. He's. His. She has. She's. She's. It has. Its. Its. Contractions of have not. I have not. We have not. You have not. They have not. He has not. She has not. It has not. Contractions, let us see. I have not. I haven't. We have not. We haven't. You have not. You haven't. They have not. They haven't. He has not. He hasn't. She has not. She hasn't. It has not. It hasn't. So you can observe here for subjects I, we, you, they, we used have. హ్యావ్ ఉపయోగించాం. ఐ వి యు దేకి హ్యావ్ ఉపయోగించాం. అలాగే హీ షీ ఇట్కి హ్యాజ్ ఉపయోగించాం. సో హీ షీ ఇట్ అనేవి థర్డ్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్స్ కాబట్టి హ్యాజ్ ఉపయోగించడం జరిగింది. రిమైనింగ్ అన్నిటికి కూడా మనం హ్యావ్ ఉపయోగిస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, కాంట్రాక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాడ్ ఆర్ వుడ్. I had or I would. We had or we would. You had or you would. They had or they would. He had or he would. She had or she would. It had or it would. Let us see contractions. First one, I had or I would. I'd. Second one, we'd. Third one, you'd. They had or they would. They'd. Next one, he'd. He had. He'd. Or he would also. He'd. Next one, she'd. She had. She'd. She would. She'd. Next one, it had or it would. It'd. It'd. So this is very different from others. It had. It'd. Or it would. It'd. Next one, contractions of had not. I had not. We had not. You had not. They had not. He had not. She had not. It had not. Let us see contractions. I had not. I hadn't. We had not. We hadn't. You had not. You hadn't. They had not. They hadn't. He had not. He hadn't. She had not. She hadn't. It had not. It hadn't. Next one, contractions of would not. I would not. We would not. You would not. They would not. He would not. She would not. It would not. Let us see. I would not. I wouldn't. We would not. We wouldn't. You would not. You wouldn't. They would not. They wouldn't. He would not. He wouldn't. She would not. She wouldn't. It would not. It wouldn't. It wouldn't. Let us see the next one. Contractions of shall or will. First one. I shall or I will. We will. You will. They will. He will. She will. It will. Let us see contractions. I shall or will. I'll. I'll. We will. 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 You will. You'll. You'll. They will. They'll. They'll. He will. He'll. He'll. She will. She'll. She'll. It will. It'll. It'll. Next one. Contractions of will not. I will not. We will not. You will not. They will not. He will not. She will not. It will not. Let us see contractions. First one. I will not. I won't. We will not. We won't. You will not. You won't. They will not. They won't. He will not. He won't. She will not. She won't. It will not. It won't. So will plus not, won't. Next one. Some other contractions. Let us see. I shall not. I should not. You cannot. They couldn't. They could not. He must not. She did not. It does not. I do not. Let us see contractions. First one. I shall not. I shan't. I shan't. I should not. I shouldn't. I shouldn't. You cannot. You can't. You can't. They could not. They couldn't. They couldn't. He must not. He mustn't. He mustn't. She did not. She didn't. She didn't. It does not. It doesn't. It doesn't. I do not. I don't. I don't. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And subscribe for more videos. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే ఒక లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి. ఇట్లాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోలు పొందడానికి మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. విల్ మీట్ అగైన్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. Until then, keep watching our videos. Thank you.